Hello, I'm Emily and welcome to Studio Vlogmas Day 14. Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk to you about becoming a Giphy artist, how to become one. I'm going to show you the process. By becoming a Giphy artist, it means that your artwork shows up on Instagram stories and things like that. I started this back in the summer. I recorded the process and I just haven't done anything with the footage. So I think what I'll do is go back in time and let old Emily chat to you about it. Hi, welcome to a new video. I have had the idea for this video since Christmas, but because I knew it wasn't a straightforward process, I've put it off for 7 months. Today is day one. It is Tuesday, the 7th of July, and I am going to make my own GIFs for Instagram. I don't know about you, but Instagram stories is like my favourite feature, and I use GIFs a lot. And it was around Christmas when I was using them, and I thought, you know what? I really need to make some of my own. I need them to be branded to me. How awesome would that be? I then looked into it and realised that it's not a case of just upload them and they're on Instagram. A bit more confusing. So I've put it off. But now I'm starting and I'm going to document the whole process. So hopefully if you want to make your own, this is like a little guide and kind of helps you. I don't know how long this will take. Like I said, this is day one. I am going to document every step, and hopefully by the end of this video I have my GIFs on Instagram stories and you can go and use them. To get your GIFs on Instagram, you need to upload them to Giphy and you need to be verified as an artist on there or a brand. So what I have done, I have made an account on Giphy. That's the first step. So when you go onto Giphy, you can see your channel. My channel looks very empty at the minute, but if you head to artists at the top, you can see all the different artists that have made their own GIFs. They're so cool. So what I did was I found a link on there that said apply for an artist channel, and it says artist accounts are intended for artists who would like to create and distribute visual artwork via Giphy. It's essentially what I want to do. Once you've connected your Giphy account, you'll be able to see our application form. Here's what you need to know before submitting your application. So it says we highly recommend updating your Giphy channel with the below before submitting an application. So the first thing is that you need to have an avatar image and all relevant links to your portfolio, website and or social media. So that is what I've done. I've put my avatar up there, I've put my website and all my social media links, so that's there. The second one we're looking for channels with 5 to 10 or more pieces of original animated non-commercial artwork already available. So that's what I don't have. So to be accepted, I need to upload between 5 and 10 GIFs. So that's the first thing I need to work on. That's the only way I'm going to be able to apply, is to make my first 5 to 10 GIFs. So that's where I stopped, because I was like, not straightforward. I need to actually make the things. So how I'm going to start is I am going to sketch out 5 to 10 ideas of GIFs that I currently use the most in my style, and then we'll figure out how to animate them and make them into GIFs. I've never done this before. I'll catch up with you again when I've got my sketches. So I had a look through my Instagram stories to see what I used most, and I actually really like the ones that I use, so I don't want to use any of my own. But here's what I've come up with. So what I'm thinking is, top left is my icon. It's like kind of my branding and everything. So it'd be really nice to do one of those. And what I'm thinking is the little white dashes around the outside, animating those a little bit, and hopefully get a blink going. That would be nice. So that would be nice to do for that one. The next one is my Be Kind illustration. I did this to raise some money for mental health, and I thought this would be quite nice. So whether, again, we have a blink, but maybe not, and the little red heart above the phone, maybe that could happen. I'm saying it like I know how to animate, I've actually got no clue, but that would be good. My next one across is my Dare to Dream Big. This is such a special design to me, and I think just keep it quite simple. The dots going around the outside, maybe I could animate them, the changing of colour, so it looks like they're flashing. and maybe the little sparkles have a bit of movement, but again, keep it quite simple. Two of the texts that I use the most are studio vlog, because obviously every week I do one, so that would be nice to illustrate in my like fonts that I use, and try and get a little bit of movement in there. Same with link in bio, so them two are going to be very similar. And then I've got two sort of decorative gifs. Hearts, I like to add hearts quite a bit, and my dots that I use in all my branding. So I think they're just going to be like lilac, very simple. So I'm basically trying to keep it simple. I just really want to get my channel approved. So if I can get these done, get it approved, and then I can start making more. But I don't want to plan out 30 gifs to not get approved. Does that make sense? I would rather do these, get it approved, fingers crossed, and then I can start building up more. So I think I just start. I actually don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna have to figure it out as I go along. I think I'll make a start with the blinking me and see if we can do that. I know how to animate in Photoshop. I know how it works. It's just whether I can pull it off, but we'll try. So I've done my first little bit of animation. I don't know if you can see on there. It's so simple. So if you don't know, this is your animation bar. I don't know if you can see, hang on. Down here is your animation bar. To get that is in Window, Workspace and Motion. If you click on Motion, it'll come up at the bottom and you can create a frame animation. So I've created my first little bit of very, very simple animation. So basically in Photoshop you can make a timeline at the bottom to create a frame animation. I can leave links and like how to set this up. I won't get into it on this because it could take forever, but what I had was a blue circle. Hang on, let me stop the animation. This is frame 1 of the blue circle. So basically this animation's over 2 frames, and the second frame I've just redrawn the blue. So there's like 2 frames, and then I just hit play and it moves between the 2. So there's some slight movement there. Very, very basic. Don't need to do anything fancy. So then what I'm thinking is trying to add the little dashes. Not really sure how to do it, but yeah, let me go and figure it out and I'll show you. So what I have done is I have blocked out where I want the white dashes to go, there. And if you can see at the bottom, I have now 6 frames, which is basically the 2 frames just animating back and forth. So I now need to figure out how to do the white lines, whether I alternate like that, animate like that. I need to work out whether I should draw them on. I don't know how to do that. Let's just try, let's just figure it out. So frame 1, let's just turn them down. Frame 1 could have a little bit of line, maybe? Like 1. I can delete these. Okay, you see what I mean? Like, not really what I want, but I was just seeing how it works. Yeah, not sure. Okay, so my camera battery died. That's good, isn't it, when you're making a video like this? So I've gone away and I've made 7 gifs. Now, what I've realised is you don't need to complicate it. I mean, some people do really complicated animation and that's beautiful, but I was trying to do very complicated things, and then when I thought, and then it just wasn't working. So the simpler the animation, the better, I think. So I'm going to talk you through all of the ones I've made. So let me get it onto my big screen. So this is the first one that I've done. It's over 6 frames, so you can see the frames playing down here. I have the blue circle flipping over 2 frames, the white dashes again over 2 frames, and then in the middle I've done a very quick blink, which isn't great, but I think it does the job. I really like it. So that's the first one I've done. Next up is this one. This is my Be Kind. So I've literally just again got a little flicking going on over 2 frames and some hearts building. You can see them playing over 4 frames, like it's so simple. This one is probably my simplest one.
It's literally 2 frames and it's just these colours switching. But it has a really nice effect, I think. And that's all I've done for that one. Then we have some hearts. So again, very simple, 2 frames. Can you see how it just flickers a little bit? But I think that'll be quite nice. I've done some dots that swap between white and lilac. I use these dots for everything, so this will be really nice. And then my studio vlog. So this is what I have done. This is probably the most complicated one out of them all, but it's really not complicated. So can you see the 11 frames here? Each one just brings up a new letter. And then on every other frame I add some hearts. And it's just playing at 0.1 seconds each and just constantly rolling through. So I've done that one. So this is exactly the same but in white. And they are all of my new gifts.
So I don't actually know how to export them as GIFs, so let's figure that out. But what I have done is I have made the canvas like really tight around the image that I've made, and I've removed the background because I want it to be like cut out. So I'm going to File, Export, Export As, and let's see what comes up. I think that's fine. I'm going to export it and then try and upload it, and we'll see what happens. So I've saved out my 7 GIFs and I'm gonna upload them now. They're all uploading there, can you see? And now I need to, oh my god, they're all working. So that's good. So now it says to add a source. Okay, I'm gonna put my website and just see if that works. I mean, that's kind of the source, right? Me.
So they all look really good, but can you see this one was meant to have like brightness? I think I need to remove that white bit there, and it will work better, but look how cute this is.
I'm so chuffed with those. Right, I just want to fix that one. So what I'll do, I'll upload that, I will fix the tags, and then we'll try and apply for an artist account. So I have fixed a little issue, I've re-uploaded, and I have tweaked all of the tags on each of them so that they're a bit more accurate for each thing. And now I am going to apply for an artist account. Do you get an answer instantly? I don't know. I filled in all of the criteria. Okay, apply. Okay, are you applying as a brand or an artist? I'm an artist. Username Emily Harvey Art. Real name Emily Harvey. Submit application. You're done. Your application has been successfully submitted. Your application to upgrade your Giphy channel to brand or artist account has been submitted. We receive a high volume of applications every day, so this can take a while. In the meantime, live your life and we'll notify you when you've been approved. So, I've applied. And we'll just see what happens. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I get approved. And I can start using them on Instagram. I'll be back with you when I get an answer. Could be today, could be tomorrow, could be next week, could be next year, I don't know. But yeah, hopefully we get approved. So welcome back to present day. It's now the middle of December and I honestly completely forgot about Giphy. I thought maybe it would take a week, maybe a couple of days. No, August, September, October, November. 5 months it took for me to get approved. I was sat at home, it was a Thursday evening, so today is, it's like a week ago. A week ago I got an email and it just said, you've been approved. Good news. It says here, your application for an official Giphy channel has been approved. All of your uploads are now eligible to be included in Giphy search. So what I did, first thing I did was head to Instagram. If you click on the top and click on GIF and search in the top E Harvey Art, there we go. They all show up. Now the problem with it being is I made them 5 months ago, and although most of them are great, this one not really applicable anymore because I've changed my branding. What I'm going to do now is add a link to my new branding, upload that to Giphy, and hopefully in a couple of hours that'll be available on Instagram. So I hope this video has been useful. I would love for you to use my gifts. I plan in the new year to design so many more. I'm gonna have loads. So yeah, just tag me, let me know when you're using them. I would love that. And I hope this video has been useful, and it kind of shows you the process and how long it can take. So if you've applied and you still haven't heard back, and it might have been a month, don't be discouraged, because you know it took 5 months for me. So yeah, let me know below if you are going to apply. I would love to see your gifts. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.